In Google Sheets, we have a bunch of items, and we want to know how much are all of the items that are checked here. So if a checkbox is checked, just sum up those. We're going to use SUMIF, and the range is going to be the range of the checkboxes. Our criterion is going to be true, and our sum range is going to be wherever the cost is. So in this case, the B column. So we have C column, then true, then the B column where we're adding it up. And that gets us all of these checkboxes checked. So we can see this plus this is 1490. Isn't that really cool? You can also use SUMIFS. SUMIFS gives us the sum range, which will be the B column, criterion range will be the C column, and our criterion will be true. A little bit different syntax here, might be a little easier to understand with SUMIFS. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.